How's it going, guys? Chef Jet Teal here from Food Network, and I'm here at Trinity for the second time, and we're making lunch. And you know what? This gorgeous food, I can't take credit for. It is my recipes, but the amazing team here made all the food. Today we've got my famous Mongolian beef, a little bit of jasmine rice, and sweet chili steamed vegetables. Kids are loving it. It's amazing, and hopefully I'll be back soon. Do I have here? Oh wait, you know, I'm just gonna make you more rowdy because who lives in the pineapple under the sea? About 20 years ago, I was a cook in Los Angeles, and I was cooking next to a really great chef, and her name was Karen Hillenberg, right? And we were cooking next to each other, and we worked together. And I was like chopping and cooking and every night, and she would tell me, you know what, my husband Steven, he's an animator and he's creating a cartoon. And she's telling me about this sponge who lives under the sea. And I'm like, and who lives in a pineapple. And I'm like, wow, all right, good luck. We'll be cooking together for 20 more years. Because that idea sounds crazy to me, right? A few years later, I see on Nickelodeon, SpongeBob SquarePants. And so the first few years, they would send Christmas cards out from the family. I have original signed SpongeBob SquarePants posters from those years. So that's why SpongeBob is a cook, right? Because the inspiration, Steven's inspiration was Karen. I'm gonna make the first dish I've ever learned how to make from my grandmother, and it's gonna be fried rice, all right? I'm gonna teach you guys how to make fried rice. I think it's a fun dish you can do with your family. I think it's easy. You know what food waste is? What's food waste? What's waste? What's waste? Waste is when you throw something away, right? And is wasting things a good thing? No. So I've been making this dish for probably 20 years. I moved to Las Vegas and I opened a restaurant, and I saw all my cooks like cutting pineapple and throwing away the actual, the skins, right? The shells. And I was like, what are we doing? Why are we not utilizing that somehow? I cut around the outside, and then I make a wedge, and then I put the wedge down, right? And then I do the second wedge, and I put that down, right? And I do one more cut of the core, and then I'll cut that in like 3 or 4 cuts. Look what happens. You get this beautiful pineapple bowl. Just like that, right? Simple. 95% of all knife cuts are either a dice or a slice. So let me demonstrate what I mean. And it doesn't matter if it's a pineapple, if it's a bell pepper. You guys understand how to cut a bell pepper? Yeah. And impress your friends? Here we go, watch this. So what was my rhyme again? I forgot. Oh, that's right. Tile first. Make everything a tile first. And watch this. So watch the back of the bell pepper. I want you to use a higher temperature oil. Soy sauce. We're getting there, yeah? Canola oil. Wait, there's more. There's other kinds of high temp oil, sir. One more time?
Palm oil.
Palm oil will work, absolutely, ma'am.
There's also sesame oil.
Sesame oil, okay. All right, you get it. So there's like 150, 180 calories in every tablespoon. So all right, let's put some oil in this dish. Is that good? Can I just keep going? Is that about right? Can I use more? Is that a lot or a little? So watch what I do. I want the oil to hit every part of the pan, and then I just pour what I don't need back. And I call this priming the wok, or priming the pan. That means I get the coverage, but I don't get too much. Does that make sense? I don't want to get crazy. I'm gonna do a little soy sauce. Soy sauce gives me what flavor? Salt, but not just salt. There's actually one more flavor in there.